So a pretty straightforward IB question. This is only half of it, but pretty straightforward. It just says which of the following ones is arithmetic, and then it says find the eighth term of the sequence. So which one's arithmetic? It's the one that goes up by a common difference. All right, so we'll just start subtracting. This one goes up by 4 and then 5, so it's not that one. This one goes down by 1 and then it goes down by a half if you do that subtraction, so it's not that one. All right, so it's between these two. If I take this one here, I do 2/3 minus 1/2. Get out of there. So I do 2/3 minus 1/2, and I get 1/6. And then the next two terms are 3/4 minus 2/3. So 3/4 minus 2/3, and I get 1/12. So those are not common difference either. So it has to be this one. All right, if I got to find the common difference. So 3 minus 1.5 is 1.5, and 4.5 minus 3 is 1.5. So that's the common difference. And then this says find the eighth term, so I can use the formula, which is un equals u1 plus n minus 1 times d. All right, so then I want u8. I don't need to write that, but I did. The first term is 1.5, so 1.5 plus 8 minus 1 times 1.5. And then I put that in my calculator. So 1.5 plus 8 minus 1 times 1.5, which is a eighth term of 12. And then C says, how many terms would it take to achieve a sum of at least 900? Okay, so if you did and practice, you saw that we do this with a calculator. At least 900 means 900 or more. And I'm going to use the table. So I got to write the general form. The general formula is Sn equals n over 2 times 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So for this, it's going to be n over 2, 2 times 1.5 plus n minus 1 times 1.5. That's the common difference. Now remember that the u1 and the d are not always the same. This is a very rare situation they're the same. I'm going to put that into the calculator, and y equals, going here, 1.5. And again, you can just, if you don't know how to insert that in there, you can go in and you can just figure that out and do it again. I like to reuse it whenever I can. So that should give me that. Now I'm going to tell you ahead of time, this is going to be a significant number. So if I go in the table to get to 900, I'm going to have to jump down to, 11 gets me to 99. So I'm thinking I'm going to be maybe at least 80. So this is where knowing how to use this calculator is going to be good, because I can go here and I can type in 80 and then go back to the table and it'll jump me to 80. That's obviously way too far. All right, so let's go back to 30 and see what 30 is. Let's see that second table. So I'm looking for 900, right? So I'm looking for 900 and more. So I'm going to go down here. I'm not quite there at 34. So S34 is 892.5, and S35 is 945. All right, so at least 35 terms to get a total of 900.